Good afternoon, guys. Again, I'm into the backyard of my garden. I just finished working into the backyard of my garden by taking out kind of many weeds right underneath. But now since I finished my working here into my backyard garden, I'm gonna take some pretty quick short video again about my white fields, plants, flowers in here. This is what it look like because they just come out about few days ago, and absolutely really looking gorgeous. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and I love this kind of flowers. Huge tree here that I had because it's quite big. This kind of trees now. It used to be a very tiny plants about many years ago, and now it's really getting much bigger and bigger again. And I guess I'm gonna start trimming on this maybe before before autumn times like that. They need to be trimmed on this, otherwise it's gonna be really getting huge into my garden, and my garden don't have enough space to provide on this. So I need to trim this maybe after summertime like that. But this is absolutely gorgeous looking, guys. I quite enjoy watching on this kind of plants, flowers that I had here into the backyard of my garden. It's lovely, lovely. And I had to take some advantage by taking this very quick short video again, just because this kind of flowers doesn't stay much longer. Maybe another another couple weeks or 3 weeks, something like that. This kind of flowers, they're gonna start dropping down the ground again, and all the leaves turning to be a dark and bright green again. The leaves is just tiny leaves. Look at that. If I close it by, the leaves is tiny, but the flowers is really looking beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, and I guess I love this kind of flowers as well. Really, they really are beautiful. This is a hardy part of plants because I don't even doing any effort on this, or I never give any water, especially during the winter time, springtime. I don't water, but during the heavy summertime I had to give a little bit of water, and that's all I have to do. But it's really lovely to have it. It's pretty handy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.